Hi there, how's it going? It's me, Jaylene, also known as Fem4th. Today I'm going to be showing you some life skills that you have never actually been taught in this clear of a format. That is right, people. Today we have this simple step-by-step guide of how to kiss. Beginner friendly. One disclaimer is that this is from my personal experience, and maybe the way that I kiss is not the way that you kiss. But I've definitely received many compliments and 0 complaints, so it works. I'm going to be breaking it into 3 steps for you. First, we're going to go about the positioning of the face and the lips, and then we're going to go into the motions, and then last but not least, the tongue. Make sure you watch until the very end so you can get the foolproof law of kissing with your tongue. Number 1, the positioning of the face and the lips. It's all about the angles, baby. First thing you want to do is actually just tilt your head. Usually it's to the dominant side, which is basically mostly the right side for people. And when you're zeroing in on that kiss, I actually want you to have your lips stacked, not mash. So mash is basically when your top and top meets and your bottom and bottom meets. No, I want your top and bottom to kind of stagger in between one another. To add some extra spice to this, I want you to pause slowly just before your mouth meets theirs, and even possibly take a moment to take a deep breath in before you go mouth diving. Having that little moment of space and anticipation between the lips makes the kiss ultimately more exciting. Sometimes I like staying in that waiting area even a little bit longer because it actually helps fuel the lust that you two are going to actually join each other with. The second thing I'm going to be talking about is the motions. One friend of mine made the comparison as if you're going to be eating an ice cream cone. So in an instance, trying to kind of take a bite of the ice cream. I want you to push with your lips kind of pouted and engaged like this. And then with your partner, I want you to loosely kind of grab and pinch their lips with your lips. The more you keep going, the more pressure you can apply. And I also want you to keep it nice and firm because firmness helps prevent slobber and sloppiness. So now that we know how to actually kiss without, opening our mouths and actually knowing how to properly do the motions, I want to go into the tongue. The tongue can be the ultimate cherry to the kissing, but also it can be the ultimate challenge. I want you to think of it as you are a kitten sipping milk from your bowl. Cute. So I want you to start with the pinching motion that I actually kind of started you off with before, but also I want you to keep your lips pouted while opening your mouth slightly. Do not be a goldfish. Now, with both of your mouths kind of basically slightly open, I want you to kind of start doing that kitty tongue inside their mouth. So doing kind of the lapping milk motions. Remember that it's not a full throttle tongue inside their mouth. Some people don't even like that, and usually a lot of people more prefer that during the peak of their hot and heavy moments. Your motion should be very go with the flow in terms of the rhythm that you want to move your tongue, because it should be actually very malleable with the way that your partner's tongue is moving. Think of it like a dance. Wherever they're giving up space, that's where you take up space. Which then leads me on to the all-important knowing law of tongue kissing, i.e. French kissing. The more of their mouth that your partner's tongue leaves, the more that your tongue can enter that space. It's an equal exchange of tonguery, if that's a word. So for example, if your tongue is kind of really in your partner's mouth and their tongue isn't even in yours, pull back, soldier. Now that we have wrapped up how to kiss and now that you are an expert, just practice, practice, practice to make it perfect. If you need more coaching on your sexy skills, make sure you head down into the link in the bio where you can set up an online one-on-one coaching session with me. Then I want you to follow me on the other links that I have down below here so you can actually follow the other bonus content I have, and as well as my own worst kissing story, which I actually want you to comment below here. And last but not least, make sure you also subscribe and like this video so you can actually kind of save it for future reference. Thanks for watching, everyone. It's me, Jaylene, Fem4th. Mwah.